brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. With the industry's best warranties and over 1,000 five-star reviews, come and experience the Midas difference.
It certainly is taking a while for this double low. The second of these lows moving up very slowly. In fact, it's kind of stalling, and the lingering probability of showers stays with us. It might be a mix tonight as temperatures drop, but tomorrow a small probability of showers on and off through the day. We hope to see by late afternoon, early evening, some clearing. That activity to end, and then nice sunny seasonal conditions for Sunday. Partly cloudy Monday, seasonal again, even a little milder on Tuesday, but that cloud's going to increase. We may see some showers overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning, and yeah, some wet weather for Wednesday, but hoping that that active weather and the increase in cloud will hold off until Tuesday so we can get a good look at that total solar eclipse. Temperatures across the region, not bad, below normal. Our seasonal norm now for a daytime high is 10 for Kingston, so we are below normal. It's 6, but it's certainly better than that +2 we had while the snow moved in. 8 degrees in Belleville, 5 in Brockville, 4 in Smiths Falls, 5 in Ottawa, 6 in Peterborough, 7 in Oshawa, and a 6 in Toronto. So everybody below normal today. Sitting at a 5 right now. Northerly winds moving in at 13 kilometers per hour, recorded at Norman Rogers Airport at the top of the hour. And yes, we are getting a little bit of a shower, which could turn to a wet flurry as those temperatures drop tonight. Just a centimeter. I know it doesn't show on the ground, but we did have about a centimeter of flurries on and off throughout the day today in the last 24 hours. As temperatures rose, it started to transition to more of a shower like we're getting now. About 3 more minutes of daylight for you. Things are looking brighter every day. That double low now sort of grouping to a single low, getting a little more organized, a little stronger, picking up some fuel, some sea effect as it heads off to Atlantic Canada. This will be a snow event for the north and west parts of the Maritimes and Atlantic Canada, and along the coast, the east coasts of these provinces will be more of a mix or shower activity. For us, we're going to see some clearing, high pressure dropping in nicely, and we're going to see those temperatures start to rise again. Another low in the west moving in with a warm front is likely to help bring those temperatures up. We'll pay the price with more wet weather, like I said earlier, hoping to stave off that active weather and the cloud coverage until Tuesday so we can get a good look at that total solar eclipse. There's that chance of showers tonight, and it continues through the evening and into Saturday morning. Does look as if it looks like it's going to come to an end overnight, and then we get that probability creeping in again through the mid-morning and through the afternoon, 40 to 60% across eastern Ontario, depending where you are. And then late Saturday, it ends completely. The cloud clears out, and Sunday looks absolutely gorgeous, and most of your Monday looking pretty good, too. 11 degrees Saturday for a daytime high in Belleville. Welcome back, double digits. 30% probability of showers, Belleville. Sunday, a high 13 and sunny, up to 13 again Monday, and you will see an increase in cloud. Probably a mix of sun and cloud in the morning, and then quite a bit of cloud through the afternoon. Brockville, a high of 8 and a 40% chance of showers through the day. For Sunday, it's mainly sunny with a high 12. Monday, a mix of sun and cloud and a high of 14. Smiths Falls up to 7 degrees. You've got some shower activity at 40% probability. Sunday, though, mainly sunny with a high of 12. Monday, 16 degrees and a mix of sun and cloud. And Kingston, 9 is your high tomorrow. 10 is the seasonal norm for a daytime high, so not bad. You got some shower activity tonight. That could be mixed with flurries as it chills in the overnight. And then tomorrow, as it rises to 9, anything will be showers, but it's only a 40% probability. Clearing through the evening. Sunday, sunny with a high 12, rising to 12 again on Monday with a mix of sun and cloud. For Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud and up to 16 degrees. That increase in cloud will roll in late Tuesday, though, and Wednesday looks like some showers rolling in with a high of 13. Thursday, a high 14. The chance of showers continuing and up to 12 Celsius on Friday of next week. You are looking at the chance of showers still. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Carol Free of North Frontenac Township, north of Highway 7, showing us another example of how heavy, wet, and sticky that snow was, bending those younger trees right across the trail. Lots of samples of that in the area. A little closer to home here in Kingston, it was more of a rain event, but when you got away from Lake Ontario, it was heavy snow. Thanks a lot, Carol, for your photo. If you've got pics, share them with us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
That is not exactly the image of spring that comes to mind, Bill.
No, it's not.
Hopefully that will be a fleeting scene, and it should be, with those temps in the mid-teens or getting up there by next week, right?
Yes, looking forward to that.
Yes, I think we all are, and hopefully it'll stay that way this time. We won't slip back again, but you never know, right?
You never know.
Well, maybe we'll get a glimpse of that in your 10-day outlook, and also a closer look at Eclipse Day Monday forecast. That's coming up later. Thank you, Bill. The Blue Jays edging closer to their home opener on Monday, Eclipse Day. Speaking of which, Bill has the 10-day outlook, which takes us into mid-April, and a closer look at Monday as well.
Yes, and those temperatures on the rise. We'll have a high of 9 degrees tomorrow. That chance of showers still lingering at about 40%. We hope to see that end by the end of the day, clearing overnight. Sunny on Sunday with a high 12, rising to 12 on Monday again with a mix of sun and cloud. Looks like an increase in cloud Tuesday will lead to a chance of showers Wednesday, but still managing to maintain those double digits. Slipping a bit as we roll into the end of the work week. A high of 11, only 10 over Saturday and Sunday, but still, technically, that's double digits. 11 on Monday of next week as the chance of showers returns. And for those of you wondering what it's going to be like for the eclipse, it's going to be a high of about 12 degrees, southerly winds at 10K, and a mix of sun and cloud. So probability of seeing that eclipse, very good.
Okay, yeah, that's right. So some parts of the day might be a little cloudy, and then it switches back to sun again. So
let's hope we time it right so that, you know, from 3:20 to 3:30, when you get that totality, that it's good.
Okay, and as for the rest of the forecast, Bill, next week you can almost see those Mayflowers coming up with all the April showers we are getting. We'll be right back.
Your long-range weather. You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Well, that double low that brought us mixed precipitation, and some got snow, some got rain, some got a whole lot of freezing rain and strong winds. Well, that's now organized into a single low as it heads off to Atlantic Canada. We're seeing it moving out of the way, but still not moving in a hurry. And because of that, this one is stalling, the first low, second one sort of moving on into the Atlantic. Because of this sort of stalling, or it's almost retrograde, it's kind of slipping back a little, we're seeing some troughing, a little bit of wraparound off of this active weather. And so into tomorrow, we're still seeing quite a bit of cloud and that probability of a shower. In those cooler hours overnight and early in the morning, could be mixed with flurries, but for the most part, it looks like a shower. Temperatures are starting to come up again. We've got high pressure moving in for the weekend. It may take a while for that clearing until late Saturday, but by the time we actually see the clearing, but Sunday looks really good. Warmer air coming in too. Temperatures are going to rise, but we'll pay the price with more showers into next week. Hopefully, it'll stay out of the way Monday as the solar eclipse moves in. So yes, we do have decent conditions. Look at those temperatures. 13 on Sunday and Monday. You have that probability of showers in a small way, Belleville, about 30%. And then it clears up nicely. The cloud may increase on Monday for you, Quinty. Brockville, a high of 8 and a 40% chance of showers tomorrow. Sunday, it's a high 12, mainly sunny, a mix of sun and cloud on Monday with a high of 14. Smiths Falls, 7 degrees for a high tomorrow. As you see that 40% chance of showers. Sunday, a high 12, mainly sunny, a mix of sun and cloud Monday, and a high of 16 degrees. And in Kingston, a high 9. The chance of showers with us at about 40% probability. Sunday, sunny with a high 12, up to 12 on Monday. A mix of sun and cloud. And yes, that total solar eclipse should be decent viewing for that. Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud up to 16 degrees. The chance of showers returning over Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as we hang on to those double-digit daytime highs.